Hey, hello, welcome back. It's Niels from GMC Mini Truck, and in this episode I'm going to tackle something that has to be related to the interior, and it's about this panel. As you probably know, it is the panel that sits here. So it's that one. So it's the air vents, it's the cigarette lighter and the radio. And there's a vacant spot here. I believe there are actually a couple of different things that can sit here. I think it's mainly the release of the hatch of the Jimmy and the Blazer. And the Bravada, of course. Don't forget about the Oldsmobile. But what I'm going to fit there is this one. So it's the PLC2 by Rockford Fosgate. And that is going to control this, the DSR1. You could have seen that in a previous video. So that's the digital sound processor that will orchestrate how the sound system is going to sound. But this one I will use as a master volume because I will be using probably my phone as a source. I need to have a real physical volume button. So you can disassemble this thing. I want to mount this somewhat nice in here. So yes, that is going to fit, but I have to make a little insertion here in order to fit this part. And what I might do, but I'm not exactly sure yet because I have to tackle this first, is then to maybe hot glue it in place and then it will just sit nicely. So first off, let me start by making a little gap thingy here. So I've got a small square file which is ideal for this. So we'll just tackle by doing this. Well, that didn't quite work as expected because if I do it like this, then yes, it slides in. But these little grabby hookies that grab into this, as you can see, this is thinner than the material I have here. So that's not going to work. Hopefully I'm not going to fuck it up, but hey, sometimes you just have to take a gamble, right? And eventually everything will work out fine. So I'm gonna chop this stuff off and give it another try. So I'm using my flat blade snips for this. Let's see if this works. One-handed. It's not ideal. Already took this one off, but I can't do this one-handed, so I'm gonna put you guys down and then I will take it off. Okay, took another little nibble out here because this one I wanted to retain, and this now slides in perfectly, so it fits nice into this corner. And got a little bit of wiggle room. It's nice and flat. So all I have to do now is come up with the mounting solution, and then this should work. I decided to go for hot glue. So taped everything down so it's nice and square. Just flip it over. I got my hot glue gun here. Unfortunately, it's still on the clear, not on the black yet. I'm just going to dab this in here, and then hopefully that will sit nice and flush. And there we go. It's in, secure. I must say, yes, it looks aftermarket-y. but I think once it's in the truck it does look quite nice. Yeah, it's just roughly in there because there's no bracket, so this is still loose, but at least it gives me an idea of how this is going to look like. I don't know actually what the previous owner did here, but why is all the paint off? Anywho, cigarette lighter thingy in here. So it's pretty much how it looks like. So this won't be used often, but this one will. As always, thank you very much for watching. Please like, subscribe and comment, and then I will see you on the next one. Take care, bye bye, and toodaloo.